Hello everyone, my name is Shobhit and here we are today on Neha Mathur's YouTube channel.
Hello everyone.
Today we are having a discussion regarding general discussion regarding her channel and also regarding her field of expertise, which is electronics and communication engineering. And also we are going to discuss that if a student chooses this field or this stream, how he can benefit or he or she can benefit on this subject.
Yes, I agree.
So Neha, first of all, tell me about you and a little bit about your channel.
Sure. Hello everyone. I am working as an assistant professor in engineering college, and I completed my masters in field of electronics and communication engineering, and I am pursuing my PhD in VLSI. Since I started my YouTube channel some time back, and now I am trying to put more effort into it, since the main goal for this channel from my side is just to teach various subjects of the electronics and communication engineering, so that student can make them as a reference videos and they can use them whenever at any point they want to use. So the main goal is to deal with all the subjects of electronics and communication engineering, and now I am going to start physics for 11th standard students.
So first question from my side to you, Neha, is what is electronics and communication?
Basically, electronics and communication is a branch of engineering in which students put the effect of electrons so that they can deal with the designing and development of components, systems and equipments as well, so that they can deal with real-time applications to make them more easier for society. So we can say that this is the most important branch of engineering in which students make a balanced opportunity between hardware and software as well.
Okay. So Neha, as you told me that electronics and communication engineering is one of the most important branches, important stream of the engineering. Now I would like to know that what are the applications of this stream in the world?
See, the electronics and communication engineering covers a wide range of applications. If I start, then I can say that the most important application for electronics and communication engineering is domestic applications, because in our domestic life, it makes our life more easy and enjoyable, so that we can use TV, mobiles, laptops, computers. This is all because of electronics application. Beyond domestic application, we can deal with, or I can say another most important application is space communication. Space communication is totally based on electronics as well as communication. And the third important most application is medical application. All the medical equipments are totally handled with the help of electronics, since all the medical equipments are electronic equipments, and to deal with these components or equipments, we have to communicate with the help of communication engineering. So we can say that medical application is itself and most important application of ECE. And how can I miss military applications? So you can say that defense, in the field of defense, communication itself plays a most important role. So I can say that electronics and communication engineering itself covers a wide range of application, like domestic applications, military, medical, so many as well.
Well, that's great. It means electronics and communication engineering has a wide range of applications. So can you tell me regarding the what kind of jobs students can get after completing this engineering? What career opportunities they have?
Sure. See, electronics and communication engineering students may get benefit in both the fields, private sector as well as government sector. In private sector is itself divided into two core sectors. I am again repeating, if a student want to go with private sector, you have two core sectors.
Okay.
The first one is electronics and communication core field, and the second one is IT field. As I already told you that electronics and communication engineering student can balance with hardware as well as software industry. So with private sector, you have, or any student have, two opportunities: core sector and IT sector. In core sector, we have number of companies like Dell, SCL, Apple, Infosys, Texas, Cadence. There are several companies which works in core field of electronics and communication, and the most interesting thing is these companies are also looking forward or orientated for IT industry. Like if I am talking about Google, then Google is working for core electronics as well as IT. Now it depends on student or the interest of the student that what student want to opt. If student want to go with core electronics field, then he or she may go with core Google, as well as if student want to go with IT industry, then he may switch in IT industry. So there are several companies which are offering hardware as well as software. So I can say that we have core sector and IT sector as well, with large number of companies. This is related to private sector.
Many of the students may be interested in going in PSUs or public sector undertaking. Can a student look forward for a government job also in this field?
Yeah, definitely. With private sectors, we have several number of PSUs, public sector undertaking, which is working for basically the core field of electronics and communication. There are several PSUs like DRDO, ISRO, NEPTIL, BHEL, BSNL, ONGC. These all are the PSUs working for core electronics, and the student may enter in these PSUs if they are interested with core subject.
Right. So I think students have a lot of opportunities here.
Yeah, students have lot of opportunity in private as well as government. It depends on the interest of the student, it depends on the skills of the student. So they may get benefit in all the fields of the electronics and communication.
Also, I would like to know about this opportunity regarding the further studies. If a student chooses to study further in their subject, what are the opportunities? You are also a research scholar in this field, so you must be having a good knowledge on this.
Yeah, this is the most important question. I agree with this. Most of the students want to go for the job after their graduation, but some of the students want to opt for higher studies. So if they want to go for the higher studies, they have several options like GATE. GATE is one of the most important exam for any BTech student. By opting the GATE exam, they can get the admission in MTech, as well as MTech is the most important exam for their higher study. And the second important thing related to your GATE exam is, if you get best score in your GATE exam, then you may opt for PSU companies. See, whenever you want to go for your job, then you can get your job in PSUs, but most of the time companies ask you to show your GATE scorecard. So if you have your own GATE score with good percentile, then PSUs will give you more preference to hire you.
Okay.
So GATE is basically
important for both of the things.
Yeah.
For higher studies also, and for the
PSUs
for the government job also.
Yeah, definitely.
Okay.
If you want to go with PSU, then definitely you must have good scorecard of your GATE. Okay. And the second important thing is you can enroll in your MTech. And the next thing is your NET examination. If you clear your NET examination with good scorecard, you can go with the scholarship of government for JRF as well as SRF. Junior Research Fellowship and Senior Research Fellowship provided by the government to students, so that they can looking forward for more interest in their research field. So by clearing your NET examination, you can go with JRF as well as SRF. And if you are interested with PhD, then you can also enroll yourself if you have valid NET scorecard. And the next thing is you can prepare for IAS also, that is for civil examination. So if you are good with your basics, if you are good with the complete core subjects of electronics and communication, then you may opt for IAS also, that is your civil examination.
Indian Engineering Service.
Yeah, Indian Engineering Service.
Okay.
So electronics and communication basically providing almost all the vast variety in the field of your job opportunities in private as well as government sector, and also providing the higher studies option.
So that's great. I think this information will be beneficial for 12th standard students.
Yeah.
I would like to thank you for providing this information to us. And one last thing I would like to ask you, that apart from electronics and communication engineering, what are other things that you are focusing on your channel?
Sure. See, right now I have two playlists for electronics and communication engineering, which is covering two subjects. One is for digital electronics and the second one is for semiconductor device and circuit. And approx 25 video lectures are already uploaded related with these two playlists. But now this is now my goal to deal with physics from 11th standard to engineering level. And with these I will also continue with engineering, various subjects of electronics and communication engineering as well.
Okay. So Neha, this has been very informative session, and we will try to engage with you in more sessions like this.
Sure.
And we'll have more information
Right.
to share with students.
Definitely.
Okay. I would suggest to all the students that keep subscribed to Neha's channel and click on bell icon so that you get notified for every time when she posts a new video or new video lecture or information session like this. Thank you.
Thank you.